slowly. Yeah, then you come up that way. Then you go down again.
Regardless of that, the fact that you're not using your shoulder muscle directly.
Good job. Then come up again. So and keep breathing as you're going.
Provides a space for the tendon. If you have a structural problem with the bone not grown properly, that's a different one. But still, the position of the shoulder blade is essential to minimize the compression there in your case. If that's not the cause. You can go cross, Michael.
Two more.
Okay, let's go to stick. Somehow I think the way is to figure out the right thing. I make all the mistakes possible, and then the right thing is okay. I know how to try this. Is this good? Let me try. Okay, no good. Is this good? Let me try. Okay, no good. No good. No
Yeah.
good.